Hi, this is Kathy Hale, and I'm here to talk about question 766A. The question is, how do you create a culture of trust and mutual respect so that staff, parents, and families feel supported in sharing diverse thinking and problems? What are the steps that you take to hear shareholders' voices? Reflect on a strategy that you've used to resolve a problem, and what did you learn about yourself and your leadership by implementing this strategy? So I would say that this is something that has happened with my dance team in the past, and also with cheer right now. It's something that I'm also going through, where I'm trying to build a better circle of trust and a more fluid relationship with the parents, the coach, me, and as admin, and of course all the dancers. In the past, what happened was there was a new dance director, and she was kind of not communicating well with the boosters, and the boosters were getting extremely frustrated. So what happened was they wound up coming to see the principal unannounced, and they were very upset about some issues that they wanted to address. A lot of them involved communication and when the director was holding practices, when she wasn't holding practices. Another major issue was having students who were in sort of the elite group and making sure that their needs were being met and entering the competitions that were more rigorous and more prestigious. So basically what my principal and I did was we met with them. We realized that we needed to have a little more communication than we had previously been having. So what that meant is we started having weekly meetings between me and the dance director to have better communication. So she and I really were more like, I was much fresher on the day-to-day of what was happening. I started attending booster meetings and made sure that I was part of the flow of information, being able to support both parties, and of course attending the dance events. So that was basically a big improvement in having us all kind of get to know each other and be more comfortable with the issues, and really the flow of information became much better. Another positive was toward the end of the year when we had met for events at school. It was clear that everybody was much better in the ways of having their communication flow back and forth. Another issue, which was sort of unexpected, is the secondary dance teacher that was part of the team left, and the dance director was able to hire somebody that was more kind of to her own taste. So that was sort of a happy consequence that just happened, but that whole process really turned the feeling of the team around, and I think it really made all the stakeholders feel like they had more just their voices were being heard, their needs were being met, and it really made the conflict and the level of friction go down a whole lot. So similarly, I'm now sort of in a same situation with a problem between the head cheer coach and the boosters. So I'm basically going to do the same thing where I talk to all parties, I start attending booster meetings, I make sure that we're addressing all the issues that need to be addressed. We have some ideas also that we may add a cheer class to the master schedule, which would allow the kids to have some more training during school hours. And we're probably going to be changing coaches. So I think that for all these reasons, both the cheer and the dance are good examples of a situation where we needed to really listen to everybody and reset and kind of improve our communication. And as a matter of fact, one of the things that I'm doing tomorrow after school is attending a cheer booster meeting to make sure that we get cheer into the same place where dance is right now. And again, it's just a lot of listening, a lot of time, a lot of making sure that we're getting to know all the issues, asking open-ended questions, and being transparent. Thank you so much. This is Kathy Hale, and this question was 766A. And I was speaking to the CIPSL element parent and family engagement. Thank you.